Assalamu alaikum students, this is your English teacher and today we will start translation of our first unit, that is sugar and spice. In Urdu we will say shakkar or masala. Before starting this lesson, please mention date, reading and day on the top of your book page. Now look at the pictures. There are 4 pictures. Which of these pictures is about a birthday? This cake is about a birthday. What do we bake a cake in? We bake a cake in oven. Do you think it is easy to bake a cake? No, it is not easy to bake a cake. Now let's read about Madiha's attempt at baking a cake. Her mother asks her to bake her own birthday cake, but it doesn't go as planned. Why? Let's read about characters. Madiha, the birthday girl, and Madiha's mother. In the kitchen at Madiha's house, Madiha के घर के किचन में, Madiha's mother talks to her about making her own birthday cake. Madiha की माँ उससे अपनी सालगिरह का केक खुद बनाने के बारे में बात करती है. Madiha is prepared to do this herself today. Madiha आज ये खुद करने को तैयार है. It was Saturday, ये हफ्ते का दिन था, and Madiha was getting ready for her birthday party. और मदीहा अपनी सालगिरह की तकरीब के लिए तैयार हो रही थी. In just 3 hours, सिर्फ 3 घंटों में, all of her friends would arrive with presents and excitement. उसके तमाम दोस्त तहाइफ और जोशो खरोश के साथ पहुंच जाते. Every year, हर साल, मदीहा and her mother made a fresh cinnamon cake on the day of her birthday. उस मदीहा और उसकी माँ उसकी सालगिरह के दिन के लिए दार चीनी का ताज़ा केक बनाती थी. And मदीहा thought, और मदीहा ने सोचा, this year would be no different. इस साल भी कुछ मुख्तलिफ नहीं होगा.